Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iswar Verma, and yesterday I learned about objects part 3. Now I will discuss with you my learnings of part 3. Here is part 3, objects with methods. Actually, when a function is a value inside an object, it is called a method. Okay. Method give object behavior like this keyword thought. This is a short name that means this object right here inside a method. The this keyword refer to the object that the method was called on. Now here we can see a example like here we have a object name user. Here name is Alice and greeting. Greeting is a function and greeting is a key and this is a value. Inside in value we have a function like console.log hello my name is this dot name. Here this is a user object. Here this is a user object. User dot name means allies. It will give us if we call this method user dot greetings, it will call that method and give us output of this method like console.log hello my name is this dot name. Okay. When we call user.greeting, this means this becomes user. Okay. This allow method to do dynamic and access the data of their own object. Now we have part 4, looping over an object properties means iteration. How we can iterate a object. We can easily iterate object with a for in loop. Okay. We have a object name car and here we have a properties like make, model, year. Okay. If we want to, if we want to iterate and print all key value pairs of this object, we can use for in loop. Okay. Now the syntax is for bracket. Here key is a variable in car. Car is a object and key is a variable. Means every value that comes in key key and every key comes in this variable and we can access keys with the help of this key variable. If we console.log key, here key is a key and value is car square bracket key. Okay, we can iterate easily with the help of for in loop. Okay, now the modern object methods. There are some modern object methods like object.keys. It will return an array of the object on property keys. Okay. Object.values. It will return an array of the object on properties values. Okay. Object.entries return an array of key value pairs. It will give us only keys, array of keys. It will give only array of values, and this will give us array nested array of each key value pair. Okay. Now we have a object car, and there are three properties in this method. And if we console.log object.keys car, it will return a all keys in a array like this make, model, year. Here keys are make, model, year, and this is the array of keys make, model, year. And object dot values also give us values like Honda Civic 2021. These are values and these are values. Okay. And what about dot entries? Dot entries return an array of key value pairs. Okay. If we iterate it like for for of loop is used in arrays, but here we can also use it. But object dot entries return as array. So we use here for of loop. Okay. Console dot log key. Here we destructuring the array. Okay. Here key, the first value becomes key and second value becomes value. Here we can easily print with the help of console.log key and value. Okay, now that's fine. Now we have some advanced concepts like object or reference type. Yes, bro, objects are reference type. Okay, this is the same critical concept we saw with array. With when you assign an object to another variable, you only copy the reference, the memory address. Both variable point to the same object. Okay. Now we can take example like let object 1. Here we have a object 1 and object 2. In object 1 is the original object and object 2 copies the reference of the object 1. Note the object. This will not copy these values. It will copy the address of the object 1 where it is stored. It is stored in heap. So it will copy the address of the object 1. Now, if we change the object to value is equal to 20, it will also change the value of object 1. We can for check, we can console.log here object.1 value. We have it 20 because we changed here. So objects are reference types. If we want to copy, we can use separate operator and deep and structured clone. Okay. Now, how to copy an object? We have a method. We have a separate operator. With the help of separate operator, we can have a shallow copy of that object. Like here we have a original object. Properties are name and age. Here, if we want to copy an original array into another variable, we can easily copy the original array with the help of shallow copy. Here, copy, and this is here we use separate operator. Okay. Now, if we change the value of age, it will change the it. This change will affect the copy object, not the original object. Console.log original.age is 30 and copy.age is 31. We changed here, but it will not change the original object. It will change the copy of an original array. Okay, now we have discussed shallow copy. Now see we have a modern ES6 plus syntax semantic sugar. We have a old method like property value shorthand. We have a property value shorthand and like we have a const name is equal to alias. We have age is equal to 30 and the old way is and const user old is equal to name is name. Here name is a variable that points to this name and here we have a age and this point to this age. And new way, here we have a new way. We can user new, then new and comma age. Much cleaner. This will like it is a like this, same as like this. This work same, also this work also same. Okay. And we have a function. The old way is method shorthand. You can omit the function keyword when defining methods. Okay. Old way is const user old. Say hi function console.log hi. This is the old way. And in new way, we can also define a function like this. This this work also same as like this. Okay. Now guys, we will just discuss this tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.